Hello, my name is Erin, and today I'm going to do the honest review of the Story Chief. Story Chief is just, this is new deal just came out about a few days ago from the appsumo.com, and as you can see, the price is $49, and actually the deal is sometimes a $39 or $49 one-time fee, and I just purchased this deal about 2 days ago, and I just used about it, and I loved it. That's why I'm creating this video. So I will just read very important parts about the Story Chief. So first one is to blast your content to all your different channels with just a few clicks, and have the entire collaboration, comments, review, and approval flow in one place. Let the SEO and Readability tool show you tips on how to optimize your story, and see impressions, views, and reads across all of your channels. Okay, so instead of I just show you the sales page, I will just jump into the Story Chief dashboard. So when you log into this site, actually this is what you're going to see. Okay, so you are going to see your name and the data if you published any of them. So yesterday I published 2 contents writings here and 1 writing here for testing. And I added about 21 channels. So when you just first time to log into the sites, you want to go to the profile to add your the information, the business information, your personal information, and you can go to the channels to add your social media accounts and all your blog posts, the sites actually. So this is the one that the customizable blog provided by Story Chief. You can go ahead and click it if you want to add one. So I just added my favicon, and I added the primary color and meta description. We have the CTA image, the cover image here, overlay text, and also the sites. Okay, sites. And you can hide the footer if you want to. And also you can go ahead to click on the custom domain to add your custom domain here, the domain mapping here. So the pointing to this and value is this. You can go ahead and just do that. And you can go to SEO to fill out meta title and the description as well here. Okay. So when you're done everything, you can just go back and you can go ahead and check it if you want to, how it looks like. So when you click on the visit your blog, so this is how it looks like. This is the image, the main image, and this is the overlay text, and these are the contents I just published it, and that is the color that you choose for your primary color. This is a category. Okay, this is a category, and when you click any post, you will see the tags as well. And this is where your website visitors can share this content to their social media accounts. Okay, so let me go back to the Story Chief, and this is WordPress. I just added one WordPress, the websites that I wanted to test it. So this is the one. You can go ahead and just download their plugin and install to your WordPress sites, and that's all you need to do. Okay, if you're using the Drupal, you can use also to add them, and we have Magento, and another popular one is this Shopify. Okay, if you are using Shopify store, you can just write about your products and what's the benefits to using this product, things like that, on the Shopify store. Okay, and also the content hubs, we have a Medium and these two, and we have the social networks, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. I was able to add only 10 the fan pages. But if you have more than 10, actually, you have to purchase another code, the deal, in order to just add them a little bit more. Okay, we have referral marketing, we have email marketing, we have also the mobile platforms as well. Okay, this is where you can add the Google IAMP. Okay, you can just use them. And yeah, Facebook instant articles, and we have. Yep, that's pretty much it on the channel page. Okay, so when you're done on this part, you can go ahead and click the dashboard again, and then it's ready to write your content. Okay, so I will go ahead and just create one for you. So I'll just say, this is Erin, and I'll go ahead and just copy it. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, and then when you highlight them, and you can click this little icon here to add any comments. Okay, for example, if I want to say, please fix it, enter it, and you can invite any of your the VAs or copywriters, and then they will see exact your writings here, and then they can see this message as well. And when they are to fix something for you, then you can go ahead and click the resolve, or you can reply it again. Nope, I want something else. Something like that. Okay, so you can also delete if you want to. Okay, so that's how it works with the inviting other people to visit your contents to fix, or just to, share your the writings or the comments. Okay, so when you're done with do everything here, don't forget to add the image. You can also add the gallery, the video, and so on. Okay, so when you're done everything here, you can go ahead and click on SEO. This is where you can add the focus keyword. Okay, so my focus keyword will be Erin. Okay, so now it's jumping to 63%, but the readability is 0%. So I have to, the writing more than this, at least 300 the words, and you can follow all the messages it shows here. And you can go ahead and click the red one, the meta description. Okay, and the next part will be this page, the summary. So this is where you can add the category, the tags, and the publish day. Okay, so you can just add any meta description if you want to. Erin, no, actually I'll just say something like that. But I will need a little bit more, but it's jumping to the 80%. But I will need to have longer than that. So it's a yellow, it shows yellow. Okay. And when you're done in this part, you can go to the audience, and then you can choose which blog post will be the primary. Okay, this one should be the primary actually. So this is the primary, and you can just choose the active or inactive to publish. Okay, so you can just check each one of them, how it looks like. And you can go all the way bottom here to click on the publish, or you can go to, click the publish button here. Next part, you can, when you click on the confirm, it will just publish all over your accounts. Okay, so I will show you one of the examples that I just finished already. So I will just delete this one I just created. Okay, so yesterday I published these two contents for testing, and this is one I just published about a few hours ago. And I have views, and I have reads and the leads here. So I will go ahead and just click on the edit to show you how the contents look like. So this is my content. Okay, I just followed up exactly what the message shows. And when you click the SEO, it shows 100% SEO, and also I added the keywords, and readability is 100%. So I was doing everything, just adding this image, everything, and go to summary, and this image automatically to add it here because I added on this content here. Okay, so I added the category, the tags, and also the meta description. I also added the title because it was too short. The message shows it's too short, so I just added a little bit more. And audience, this is the blog post, the WordPress sites will be the primary. I just set up that, and I published everything to all my social media accounts. And next part is updates. You can go ahead and click the confirm or cancel it if you want to. Okay, so after you've done it, you can go to your blog post to see how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, this is the category, tags, okay, and the image, and all the bold, and the header. It's I think it's a header too. Sizes and the links edit perfectly fine. And when I go to my backend, the sites. Okay, view post. So this is how the post look like. So it's exactly same as what I showed you from the another blog post. So this is my title again, and I have the bold, the text, the size. It shows exactly the same thing, and also the text. Okay, so when I go to the back end of my sites, I didn't touch anything. Okay, I didn't touch anything, but now I'm using the newest premium version. Readability good and SEO is good. Okay, and also the category, I didn't choose anything, but well, I choose it from the story chief. I didn't do anything on this blog post, but it was choosing this, and also added all this in text that I choose, and the image for the feature image as well. Okay, so and also focus keywords. It just added my focus keyword here, the backend as well. Okay, so if you want to do, you can just read a little bit more of those. Exact match keyword density 0. Okay, in large parts of the text don't contain the keywords. Yeah, like if I just working a little bit more on this, that'd be wonderful. Okay, so if you are just using Yoast to writing your content, and I think it works. It works the same thing. Okay, for the SEO parts. But this one is a little bit more easier to just fix around, and it gives you all these messages, the SEO messages. So I thought it's kind of pretty awesome to use it. Okay, and the next part is the data. I just published these two in 24 hours, so I don't have a lot of data here. So I have impressions, I have views, and the reads. So it shows all this data here, but I have to wait about, I don't know, at least 7 days to see what's my views and everything. Okay, so next part will be, I will show you another options here. So you can edit if you want to. You can unpublish it if you want to. When you click unpublish, everything will be just unpublished mode. Okay, and you can duplicate and you can move to the different campaign. Okay, so you can go ahead and create the campaign by clicking campaign here. Okay, this is the, I'm going to delete it. I have just one campaign here, so you can just create another campaign by clicking new campaign here, okay? So you can go to the content calendar to check your, the already published ones, or the will be publishing ones. So all the scheduled ones will be showing here, and you can use a filter to see just check all these ones, the ones that you have published or not. You can check them out from here, and also you can sync it to with the Google Calendar, Outlook, and Apple the Calendar as well. Okay. And I never checked this one out, so I don't know a lot of things to talk about it. So you can go ahead and just, check it if you want to. Yeah, I think that's everything, what I know so far. You can also watch their tutorial video by clicking help. They have all the tutorial videos. I didn't watch their tutorial video, so that's that easy to use actually. But if you want to just watch their tutorial video, you can go ahead to watch it. And this is a chat box. You can, try to contact them. And if you have any questions, you can just contact them. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything about the story chief. And let's go back to the AppSumo sites. So I talked about all these ones, right? Like blast your content to all your contents. The channels and comments. Yeah, I talked about it. Impressions, I also talked about it. SEO readability, I also talked about it. Okay, so when you go bottom of this page, it shows it's a $49, just one-time fee, and that it'd be lifetime access to this software, and you will get the 20 stories per month to publish it. And if you feel it's kind of limited, then you can purchase another one to make it 40 stories per month to publish it. Okay, and collaboration, review, and comments, it comes with it. Multichannel Publishing, Yeah, also I showed you that, and SEO, I showed you that, AMP, also I showed you that. I didn't show you actually how you can create the feeds and MPS, AMPs, but you can definitely just use this feature to edit. Content calendar, I showed you that, and also I have only this plan here, but if you want to use this plan to jump into 200, you can definitely purchase 2 of the codes. And I actually wasn't able to show you these 2 because I purchased only 1 code now, but I'm thinking to purchase 2 of them because I think 20 feeds the 20 stories to publish will be kind of limited, so I might gonna just do that. And you can also add unlimited sub accounts if you want to. And yeah, that's pretty much all. And also the best part of this deal, ever, is the 60 days money back guarantee is coming. It comes with it if you purchase through the AppSumo. Okay, so if you want to get the refund after you purchase it, you can go ahead and click the account. And this is the software that you want to get a refund, and you go ahead and click the refund. Okay, so this is the bottom of this page. It's very simple to get a refund actually. Okay, so that's pretty much it about all this, the ones. And if you want to read their the reviews, you can go ahead and just read them. Or here's the questions. We have 193. Yesterday was 140 something, but now it's 193. It's a lot of people are there. They're having a lot of questions. Okay, so you can just read them through if you want to. Or here's a review. We didn't leave any reviews yet, but I'm going to publish this video to the YouTube channel, so you can watch this one as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I don't think I missed anything. Okay, so I really hope you to understand about this software, and if you want this software, you can go ahead and purchase it before it's expired. I never seen this software that had a deal from the AppSumo. So when you just miss this deal, then you might not gonna see this deal again. So I highly recommend you just get this deal. Just testing about 50 days, right? 60 days of money back guarantee. So maybe 58 days to test it. And if you don't want to keep it, you can go ahead and just get a refund. It's very simple, right? Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. This is Erin again. And I hope you love this video and understand about the software. And don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye.